Hello, wine students. Welcome to University Wine, the channel where we dive deep into the world of wine. I'm your host, Professor Weisse, and today we're diving into the wonderful world of wine tasting. So, grab your glass and make sure it's a glass with a wide bowl that narrows toward the top so to concentrate the aromas. And let's get started. Actually, before we dive in, a few more preparation tips. Avoid common pitfalls like strong scents nearby or tasting when tired. Then again, also make sure you have a clean palate that has no lingering flavors such as toothpaste or coffee. And to capture the color and intensity, have a white background so you can assess the appearance of the wine. Now to pouring. To elevate your experience, pour just a small amount, around 2 ounces or 50 milliliters, to leave room for swirling without spills. And always hold your glass by the stem to avoid warming the wine with your hand. Now, to get the most out of tasting a wine, you need a consistent approach. I learned using the WSET Systematic Approach to tasting wine. It's simple and structured. First, appearance. Tilt your glass at a 45-degree angle against a white background to assess clarity. Is it crystal clear or a bit hazy? Check the intensity. Pale, medium, or deep? Then the color. Is it white like pale lemon or gold? Red from ruby to garnet or rosé in shades of pink? Look for legs too. Those droplets running down the sides of the glass, hinting at higher alcohol or sugar levels. Next, the nose. We will be swirling, but take a sniff before swirling. Note characteristics like fruit, citrus and whites, berries and reds, floral notes, oak, vanilla or spice, or earthy hints. Now swirl. Gently spin the glass on the table to mix the wine with air, releasing those hidden aromas. Sniff again. Notice how they intensify. Now the palate, the taste test. Take a small sip, swish it around like mouthwash to engage all your taste buds. Note structural elements. Sweetness, dry like most reds or off dry in some whites. Acidity, that zingy tartness like in Sauvignon Blanc. Tannins, nearly exclusively for red wines, that grippy dryness in reds like Cabernet. Alcohol, warmth, burning if high. And body, light and watery or full and creamy. Then flavor characteristics, echoing the nose. Fruits, oak, or others. Finally, savor the finish. After swallowing, how long do the flavors linger? Short for simple wines, medium, or long for the fine ones. Reflect on balance. Do all elements harmonize? And complexity. Are there layers of flavors? Jot it all down in a tasting journal. Note the wine's name and your impressions. Practice often. Taste with friends. Taste whites before reds. Taste light wines before heavy. Sweets last. Compare varieties side by side. You can even build your aroma memory by sniffing fruits, spices, or using an aroma kit. There you have it. Enjoy the senses. Appearance knows taste, and practice is always enjoyable. Next time, we'll explore pairing wine and food. Like and subscribe. Cheers. Until next time.